Very good evening to all my dear students. Welcome again in my YouTube channel Gurukul Learning Academy. Today we will learn Standard 4 EVS Part 1, Lesson number 8, The Value of Food. All questions are given in our textbook on page number 55. We'll see answers one by one. Question A. What's the solution? Your friend wants to know where big round almonds come from. Answer. Big round almonds come from northeastern region of India. Question B. Find out what is the place called where the salt is obtained from sea water. Answer. Salt pan, creek, a pan, a basin. Second, potatoes and radish grow underground. Which other bulbs and roots do we get from plants? Answer. Bulbs, onion, garlic, spring onions, and roots, carrot, turnip, and celery. Third question, what is a kanagi? For what purpose do farmers use it? Answer for this question is here, children. A place where grain is stored is a kanagi. It is used by farmer to protect the attack of insects and pests like mice and rats. Now we'll see question number 4. For what does a farmer use an implement called a niffon? Answer. Tiffin. A farmer used tiffin for sowing the seeds in correct depth and distance. Question number 5. Which ingredients are required to making a lemon sherbet? From where are these ingredients obtained? Answer. Lemon, water, sugar, salt. Lemon is obtained from farms, salt from the salt pans, and sugar from sugarcane. Now we'll see fill in the blanks first. When the soil become hot and humid, the crop is sown. Second, the grain is separated from the ears by the process called threshing. Third, the light shells are blown away by the wind. Fourth, some people gather fruits like karvanda and jamun from the forest. Fifth question, machines and vehicles are used for the production and transport of foodstuffs. Money is spent on labor to operate them. Now we'll see next question is on page number 56. Answer in brief. Question number 1. How is a field prepared for sowing? Answer. Summer is the time for reading the field. The field is plucked, the soil is crushed, and finally the field is leveled to make it ready for sowing. Next, question number 2. How is the grain transported to all parts of the country? Answer for this question is the grain transported by means of trucks or goods trains. It is now the turn of porter and truck drivers to put in their labor. Question number 3. Why should we not waste food? Answer for third question is all the peoples put in lots of hard work in their own occupation. We get a variety of food as a result of efforts. The efforts of many people are required for food. All this process is very expensive, so we should not waste any food, anything. Now, question number 4. What are the tasks that are carried out to make a bhakri after the grain has been brought into the house? Answer. The grain purchased from the store, it is taken to the mill chakki to be ground into flour. For cooking it, the flour is kneaded into dough. Small lump pieces of the dough are then rolled out into bhakri and roasted. Now match the following A group and B group. Salt, answer is the sea, sugarcane, field, bore, forest, and makhana, the fresh water, lake or plant. So with this, children, we have completed our lesson. Thank you everyone.